Hello everyone, welcome to Tool Junkie. When it comes to buying the right tools, there's a lot to look out for. That's why today we're going to review the 5 best models for you. And we've ranked them by many different factors such as product features, price, performance, and more. Make sure to check the product links in the description for more information. Let's get started with the video.
Here we present the 5 best soldering gun. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Welding D550PK 260 watt, 200W professional soldering gun. Once hot, the gun does an exceptional job of shifting heat to its heavy-duty tin-plated copper tip. One of the perks of the Welding is its pistol grip, which makes it easier for users to hold onto and control the device. It also has trigger-activated power output. What's more, the Welding has 2 LED lights that help illuminate a user's workspace. On top of all that, the gun comes with a 7-year limited warranty. What's more, when you purchase the kit, you receive several soldering accessories. It comes with soldering, smoothing, and cutting tip. Number 2. Tabiger Soldering Iron Kit 60W 110 volts adjustable temperature welding soldering iron. Customers get a 60-watt soldering iron with 5 soldering iron tips. It also comes with a soldering iron stand, soldering wire tubing, anti-static tweezers, a desoldering pump, and a durable carrying case. The iron boasts an adjustable power output that ranges from around 400 to 800 degrees. Still, with plenty of power, there's no need to wait for the device to heat. We love how easy it is to adjust this soldering iron's onboard temperature dial. Number 3. NEWACALOX Automatic 60W Electronics Solder Iron Gun Kit. This is a kit rather than a single soldering gun. The kit includes a soldering gun, 2 tweezers, and a desoldering pump. It also includes soldering wire. The model is optimized for single-hand usage and has a natural mica core that heats up quickly and can remain operational for years. In a nutshell, it is a complete kit user will need to start soldering and replacing electronic components on any device. Don't forget that this is an automatic soldering gun. Number 4. Welding 9400 PKS 120 volts dual heat 140/100W universal soldering gun. At just under 2 pounds, the gun is also super easy to hold and manipulate. What's more, 3 bright LED lights provide users with shadow-free workspace illumination. As if that were not enough, the gun also has an impressive temperature range. It can increase from 0 to 900 degrees in just 6 seconds. With 100 and 140 volt power settings, the gun is reasonably priced and backed by a 7-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 5. Toolour Automatic Soldering Gun Kit 5-in-1. Toolour Automatic Soldering Gun Kit 5-in-1 is a more complex version of the second soldering gun we have tested. It also comes with a soldering gun, 2 tweezers, and a desoldering pump. The tweezers are anti-static, mandatory option when repairing electronics. The complete kit is designed and made from strong ABS material, so we believe it will last for years. 1.75 ounces of soldering wire is included in the kit. The warranty is 2 years and it applies to the entire kit. The heating time is around 2 minutes.
We have included the product links in the description below for more details. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.